In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the College of Liberal Arts self-service application used on Macintosh computers to install new software without administrative privileges and also update and patch existing software as well as the operating system for Mac OS X. To begin with, we'll go to our Go menu and open our Applications folder, and we'll open up the self-service application. If you don't see it immediately, you might have to scroll down a little bit to find it. Once you open self-service, you'll see it's nicely branded for the College of Liberal Arts. And on the left-hand side, you're going to see a few different categories. We can install new software. There's a special section for Adobe Creative Cloud. There's a section for mapping your network drives or mount network drives. And we can also patch existing software and uninstall existing software. I'm going to select the Install Software category. Here's a Bumgar representative console. I'm going to just do a reinstall on that to illustrate how quickly and easy this is. You just select, you can either select and go into or open up the card of the program that you want to install, or you can simply just click the button for install. In this case, I'm going to reinstall. But you'll see a wheel here showing progress. It's similar to installing applications on iOS devices. And it's pretty easy to set that up. You'll see also a log on button up here. That is not necessary to log on to self-service to install or update any applications. If you're an IT person and have a login, that can give you a few more options. I'm going to move down to mounting network drives. We can either mount or unmount our network shares. This really only has value to you if you have a Liberal Arts domain account and have network drives that you need mapped. But this is a quick and easy way to mount and unmount them. I'm going to go ahead and give you an example of patching software at this point. I'm going to go to Patch Existing Software. I don't have any actual applications here to patch at this point other than installed CC applications. But I would click the Patch button, or it could be an install button in some situations, and the applications will be updated or patched. Your operating system can also be updated through self-service, and most software and operating system patches will load automatically at pre-scheduled intervals that happen on a monthly basis. But you can come in here and update them when you see fit at your own convenience. One example of why you might need that is, say there's been a very recent patch to one of your applications, like Zoom for example. Sometimes with new features you can't utilize them until you've actually loaded the most recent update. But say you need to use it before the scheduled interval, this gives you the opportunity to go in and load it yourself. You can also uninstall existing software through here. So I could uninstall any of the applications, like for example, here's R. I'm going to click on R to open up the tab. Again, I could have just clicked uninstall, but in both places, click uninstall. And this will show me the progress. And I'm going to go ahead and close this. It's still uninstalling R, even if I closed out of that. As you can see, the status updated to done, and it's now removed from the uninstall software list. That's pretty much it, other than you can also see here we're in the library section. We can click on history and see some additional a listing of all the applications that we've installed. We can also search for an application too on the top here if there's something specific we're looking for. And that's pretty much all we need. Thank you very much for your time watching this video. If you have any questions in using the self-service application, please feel free to contact the Liberal Arts Help Desk. Thank you.